for Northwest University's online Introduction to Photography class. You will be using Flickr to turn in your weekly photo assignments. When you go to flickr.com, the first thing you need to do is either sign up if you don't already have an account, or log in if you have a Flickr or Yahoo account. I have a Flickr account, so I will log in. I'm actually using my Yahoo information. And there is Flickr. Flickr is a photo sharing social media site, and I will create a private group for this class, and that's where you will turn in your weekly photos. Once you have signed in, I need you to email me, the professor, your screen name. So my screen name is Becky Joy. Your actual name that you used to sign in. So I used the name Rebecca Aiken to sign in. And then the email address that you used. So I used my Yahoo email address. If you send me those 3 pieces of information, then I can invite you to our group, which our group is a private group. So you will need that invitation to access it. Once you send me that and I send you the invitation, you should get an email or a notification right here that invites you to the group, and you will accept that invitation. Each week, you need to upload your photos to Flickr and then add them to the group. So you upload your photos by clicking this button and then choosing which photos you want to upload. So I will pick 2 photos. And this is the upload screen. You'll see that there's a title and a description area. If you carefully read the weekly ALA photo assignment instructions, which you should do to make sure that you are actually turning in the proper photos for the week, but you will need to rename your photographs. So I will name it Aiken. So it usually starts with your last name and then it's descriptive of the weekly assignment. So that will be landscape. And this will be Aiken up close. And in the description area, I'm asking you to talk about your process to write down your camera settings. And you'll find in the weekly ALAs that there's usually prompts that I ask you to describe just a little bit about how you approached taking that picture. So make sure you read those instructions, and in the description is where you will write your answer to that. And then when you're done, select the ones that you want to add to the group and click Add It to the Group. And make sure it's the group that I invited you to, our class group. And when you have all those settings intact, hit the Upload button and you say, yes, I want to upload them. And where it will direct you immediately is your own personal photo stream. But if you go to Groups and our class group, you can double check that the photos that you uploaded are in the class group. It's important to double check because this is where I will be looking to grade your photos. Starting week 2, we will be critiquing our classmates' photos, and we'll do that by writing comments in the comment field of the photo itself. There are very specific instructions on the NU online course, so make sure you read the 3 course critique instructions and make sure you double check each week in the ALA if there are any specific instructions for the critique that week. And they do change from week to week, so make sure you read them. When people critique your photos, the purpose is to help you become a better photographer. So hopefully it should be both encouraging to tell you what you're doing well and helpful and specific in how you can become a better photographer. You are welcome to create a discussion if you are ever confused by what your classmates write in there. This is a great place to just keep a thread going about what you can do to become a better photographer. So the important thing is that you are posting your photos and starting week 2, critiquing the previous week's photos in Flickr. That is where I will be grading them. On the online portal, there is an area where you can submit your weekly ALA, you do not need to put your pictures there. But it is very helpful for me if you just write in the text box the title. So in this case, the title of this is Aiken Landscape. It's not Becky Aiken or the description. You write the title of the 2 photos you critique. It makes it easier for me to grade because I can go straight there and see your critique. If I have to search through the entire class's photos to find your critique, I'm more likely to miss your critique and you will miss the grade for that critique. If you ever have questions about what this looks like or what you need to do, feel free to message me. But hopefully this tutorial helped you solve a few problems about how to use Flickr. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing your photographs.